A fascinating discovery has been made, shedding light on the mysterious phenomenon of zoning out when tired. It's a familiar scenario. You're in a meeting, struggling to stay alert after a late night, and just as a question is directed your way, your brain decides to take an unexpected break. This common experience has intrigued scientists, who have now uncovered some intriguing insights. The brain's response to fatigue is more complex than we thought, and it involves a surprising fluid flow. Scientists at MIT, led by Dr. Laura Lewis, have revealed that when we zone out due to tiredness, it's not just our neurons taking a break. There's a wave of fluid flowing out of the brain, almost like a mini reset. Dr. Lewis explains, it's as if the brain is trying to take a break, and this fluid wave is a part of that process. But here's where it gets controversial. This fluid flow is similar to what happens during deep sleep. So, is the brain trying to mimic sleep when we're tired? And this is the part most people miss. It's not just a passive lapse in attention. The brain is actively trying to maintain itself, even when we're awake. In a study involving 26 volunteers, scientists monitored brain activity and physiological changes. The volunteers were tested on their response times to visual and auditory cues, first after a good night's sleep and then after a night of total sleep deprivation. The results were eye-opening. Sleep-deprived participants responded more slowly, and their brains showed a striking wave of cerebrospinal fluid expulsion, followed by a return to normal a second later. Other measurements revealed that the participants' pupils constricted about 12 seconds before the fluid wave, and their breathing and heart rate also decreased. Dr. Zineng Yang, a co-author, suggests that these lapses are the brain's way of taking a break, juggling normal cognitive functions with essential maintenance tasks usually performed during sleep. Professor Bill Wisden from Imperial College London highlights the significance of these findings, emphasizing the profound impact of sleep deprivation on the brain. Dr. Ria Kodosaki from UCL adds that these lapses are structured biological events, almost like the brain's way of forcing a pit stop to perform essential housekeeping. So, the next time you zone out when tired, remember that your brain is not just switching off. It's actively trying to protect itself and maintain its functions. A fascinating insight into the complex world of the human brain. What are your thoughts on this? Is the brain's response to fatigue a protective mechanism, or could it have potential drawbacks? Feel free to share your opinions and insights in the comments below.